Protect your valuable equipment. Install lightning surge protection devices. Lightning surge protection devices are an indispensable part of lightning protection for electronic equipment. Its function is to limit the instantaneous overvoltage of the power line and signal transmission line to the voltage range that the equipment or system can withstand, or to discharge powerful excess lightning current into the ground. Some industries/places where lightning surge protection devices can be installed. Commercial building, hotels, restaurants, malls, and offices hold high-power electronic equipment and a vast cable connection that automatically invites the high voltage that cause surge or transients which led to system explosion. Equip the premises with Type I plus IISPD to deal with all of these issues. Substations and control rooms. There are several different types of transmission substations, e.g., those with and without transformers, combination transmission and distribution stations, those that have large voltage control equipment such as series capacitor banks, etc. In all cases, lightning surge protection devices are applied to mitigate lightning and switching surges that may occur. CCTV surveillance monitoring for public safety, traffic, property loss and crime prevention has become an integral part of today's society. Lightning can destroy both cameras and the data they collect, which costs enterprises money and puts them at risk as critical security components go offline. All CCTV surveillance security cameras need protection, and good security system providers make lightning surge protection devices installation best practice. Satellite TV/cable TV/antennas transceiver systems are considered to be particularly susceptible to overvoltage. Antenna cables which extend beyond the building and the antennas themselves are exposed directly to atmospheric discharges. Overvoltage can reach the sensitive interfaces of the system via these cable paths and impair or even interrupt transmission. Thus the necessity of installing a lightning surge protection device. LAN Ethernet network/telecom lines or network to date. Ethernet is the most commonly used technology for local area networks. Surges cause malfunction and destruction and thus failure of computer systems. Therefore, surge protection devices are required in addition to the protection of the power supply system and regular data backups to ensure reliable operations. And when it comes to critical infrastructures, such as telecommunications technology, it is absolutely vital that lightning and surge protection is used to increase availability. Solar modules/PV systems. Solar arrays, like all electronic devices, are prone to surges in voltage that can harm components and increase downtime. Lightning surge protection devices can help keep systems running and profitable. Lightning surge protection devices are applied extensively on various industries, especially for those critical mission industries. If you are interested in any of the applications, get connected with our Lightning Eliminator team. Contact information: Lightning Eliminators & Consultants Inc. Address 6687 Arapahoe RD, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Phone number 303-447-2828. Email info@lightable.com. Website https://www.lightningprotection.com/. Twitter profile @lightningprotec.